GTA, ready to cut through the real estate noise? Dev here with your LSV Daily Market Snap, your direct line to what's happening now. Today, we're taking a closer look at Vaughan. The past 30 days have brought some distinct shifts to this thriving city. What's the true pulse of the market here? Let's find out. For single-family homes, we're seeing fewer sales compared to last year. Average days on market are down though, and the average price has adjusted to around $1,630,000. Now, for condos and condo towns, it's a dynamic story. While sales volume is slightly down year over year, properties are finding buyers quickly. The average price? A solid $777,000. Feeling the unique allure of Vaughan? This market is constantly evolving. Connect with your expert real estate pro at lifestylevideos.com. Stay sharp, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve.